Well, what's going on, everybody? My name's Sam, and this is Outdoors in Maryland. And today, it is 2020, January the 2nd. And I hope everybody had a great Christmas. Everybody had a nice New Year's. But let's get started. My first little tiny video. It's going to be a short one. I just learned something new a couple days ago, and I didn't know it. I'm really new to GoPros, and my wife is wonderful. She got me a new GoPro 8. Heard good things, bad things. Not in that, but I am going to do a tutorial because I just purchased the Power Stick. It's for my boat. It's so I can plug the GoPro in and tape from the other side. And with the YOLOTEK Power Stick, the Gen 2, I bought these little silicone rainproof putty. So when you have your GoPro plugged into this, it's going to leave your GoPro exposed, especially if you're running down river or it might be raining or something. So what this will do will actually wrap around the area and keep it. It's not. Now don't be that guy and think that you're going to put your GoPro underneath the water somewhere and with this, because you're going to lose your GoPro. But this is just to keep the water out of the ports. Good thing. I'm very excited. So what I did was I actually went on YouTube, and one of the representatives was showing how this works and everything, which I thought was awesome. But he gave a tip, and I had absolutely no idea about this. On your GoPros, you have a setting that's called looping. And what that is that you can set it for different times. You got a 5-minute looping. So what that means is when we go fishing, sometimes it might be 2 hours, 3 hours. I mean, I fish for a long period of time before I've caught anything. So what happens is I bring my battery packs. I got my batteries and I change my batteries. But when it comes to the SD card, if you're going to really tape the whole time, that's why a lot of times I miss catching fish, because I turn it off to save SD cards. I mean, even if you got a 128 gigabyte, you're going to get in a little over 2 hours. So that's the best thing about looping. You turn on your GoPro and it starts filming, and you can fish. And 3 hours in, you go ahead and you catch the fish. So what's it take? Maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Now, if you're a guy that's going to be spending more than 15, a long time catching a fish, you might want to go to the setting that's actually a 20-minute loop. So it'll do it every 20 minutes. So what it does is that once you get to the 5 minutes, it starts going to the 6 minute. It actually will start erasing. It'll keep you 5 minutes the whole time. You catch your fish, you say, GoPro, stop recording. Before you say that, most likely you should not say that, because the GoPro stopped. So what that does is that you can get that 5-minute little segments. That's going to help you. If every time you catch a fish, if you got 4 fish, you got 4 5-minute clips, and it's better to, you can edit so much easier that way. I think it's great. I'm going to show you real quick how to set it up. I just learned sometimes GoPro, I mean, as long as I'm new at it, why they make sometimes things difficult. I had the GoPro 7 and the GoPro 8. I will show you on each one real quick. It's so simple. I will show you how to do it. All right, stick around. All right, here's your GoPro 7. So now all you got to do for the GoPro 7 is tap right there, tap, looping. There you go. So if you actually tap, you can tap right here and you get 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes. You can change. 5 minutes will be good for me. I guess it depends on every situation. That's that easy for the GoPro 7. And now if you want to, just go back to hit right there, and you go back to video, just like that. All right. This is the GoPro 8. Okay. The only difference is with this one, you actually got to create looping. All right. So if you go, I wish I could do this a little differently. And you hit settings. Okay. What you're going to have to do now, it already comes with a couple settings there. You can create your own however you like it. You put 1080, you can see 27K, 1080. I got 4K cinematic. Sometimes I like the linear mode because it takes the little bubble way. Okay, so here how this is how you do. You hit that, and then you're going to go all the way down, and you're going to hit the plus sign. Okay, hit the plus sign. All right, you're going to hit video, and then you're going to come down. You're going to hit looping, just like that. Nope, not slow-mo. You want looping. All right, see how it's looping? Now you want to make sure it's 5 minutes. You hit the check mark up there. Custom. We'll roll all the way down. There's looping. Hit the check sign. And now you have looping. You can go down to here. And now you can just go to any one you want. So the setting's there. You go fishing. You just hit that setting. And you're ready to go. Actually, I might take this and edit it. Go to here. And I can hit 4K. Like that. I'm sorry if I'm a bad filmer. I've never done this before. It's pretty great and all. And then you go back. And looping set. So now all you have to do is that now you want to go back to regular, you can go to what you like to film in. All right, that's it. That's it. You just got to create it to make it a little bit harder. All right, I do it on the fly. We got the moochers here. All right, a short little video. I'm sorry about how blurry everything was. I should have just did it on my darn phone. But I hope that helped you out. I know it's definitely going to help me out. And if you like the video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Every time I put up a video, it will let you know. And make sure you hit a thumbs up because that helps me out. And right here, if you like fishing, which this is an outdoor channel, right here you can click. Me and Captain Denny, my buddy, we went and did some snakehead fishing. You click right on there, and we will. And I'll show you. We went and had some fun doing some snakehead fishing this summer. All right, see you later.